how to buy any token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is the referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes in place goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the risk account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Now, I will show you how to buy this token. Now, click on markets here, as you can see. Now, you'll be able to see this exchange platform called Economy. Now, you'll be able to find this pair next to it. Now, click on it, as you can see. Wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, before that, make sure that you have an account on Economy to be able to buy this token, of course. Now, if you can close this window. Now, make sure to log into your account on that website. So, after that, what you need to do, click on buy, select the buy option here, click on limit. Now here you can type how much you want to buy your token, as you can see. And here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of the GCT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. Now if you select the market, you can track this, as you can see, to set the percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token, and click here on buy any. So this is how to buy any token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.